Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. Today we're talking about soft straps. What if I told you that you would never need these again, these soft straps, never need them again? Because you can do it with a regular hard strap. I'm going to show you guys how. Stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, let me show you about how a soft strap works. You can take this and you can wrap it around here. You can put it through here, and now you have a soft strap, okay? So there's no damage or anything to your bars. And this is just the XR100, but if you had a nice set of mica bars on there or something, rentals, you don't want to scratch them up with this rusty old metal hook, okay? You don't want to be doing this with your nice new bars. So, let me show you how to do this. It's really cool, and you can do it a lot of different ways. So if you want to do a regular, like, soft strap, take the strap here. You're going to stick it through where you want, okay? So now we have the soft part on here. And then take it, stick it through here. Okay, and then back through that right there. And there you go. There's a soft strap right there. Okay, so let's say that, well, this is still going to move, right? So this is still going to slide back and forth. So this is not good for every application. It's not going to move at all. The soft strap, this is locked in place. Let me show you how to do that. So you want it to work just like that soft strap. Man, Tepco, what are you talking about? I want it to work just like the soft strap, man. I think it's the same. I got that too, don't worry about it. Look. Take this right here, all right? Do the same thing. So pull yourself a loop, push it through, all right? So we got it going through here. All right, so now we're back to the same. Okay, now what we have is a soft strap loop. So now you're just gonna take this through here, take your strap through it, just like we've done before with the soft strap. Okay, and now, see that right there? See that? It's the same. Now it's locked in place and it's not going to slide, just like the soft straps. And we're doing this with a regular strap. So these are two different ways, guys, that you can use your regular metal strap, all right, just like a soft strap, and you don't need it. Then your other end, you just hook it on to wherever you're hooking to and tie it down. So you can keep your bars looking nice and clean. You can do this around your forks. You can do it anywhere you would use a soft strap. This is going to work, all right? So the only thing you need to be careful about is if you have a hook like this and it has a big gap right here, okay? All right, if you put this through here and then you loop it, all right, so now here's your soft strap, okay? What can happen sometimes is the strap can get pulled through that little groove, that little gap right there, and get jammed in there. So make sure you get good, at least ones with decent hooks. And the other thing, when you get this set, if this hook is hanging down, make sure this is not rubbing on anything so it doesn't rub any of the plastic or any other materials. Make sure that it's far enough so it's hanging in the breeze and not hitting anything. So guys, look, hopefully this helps you out. Somebody told me how to do this, and I really think it's awesome, especially on sport bikes and stuff where you don't have a real place to hook your hook on. You can use these regular ones and still use them in a way just like this, like a soft strap. But guys, listen, do me a favor. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. I need your help to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, because I know that you know people that are just hooking onto their bars and scratching them up and they don't know how to do this. You can do it with a regular tie down. Guys, until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.